All right, this is a video to show how we at PrettySheet are using the Google Oauth permissions and scopes that we are asking for our app, for our users. So PrettySheet puts a more user-friendly front end on rows in Google Spreadsheet that you intend to use just as like a database. So we do not create or delete any spreadsheets in a user's account, and we do not store any data. So we just use API calls and we format it how it's presented. So go ahead and I'll click login here, and I'm going to put this offline equals true just to force myself to get a refresh token. Okay, go ahead and click here and here. And this is edit, create, and delete all your Google Sheets spreadsheets. Again, we do not create or delete spreadsheets. Just update, do CRUD actions on rows. Okay. All right, so you go to My Sheets, and what you do is you take the URL of an existing spreadsheet, and here's a spreadsheet where we are keeping track of our home improvements. And you go in here, stick it in here, and click next. And that's it. It displays it as a database that you can search on. And you can update a record. So I'll say painter man. All right. You can see how I just updated that. So again, we do not store any data in spreadsheets, any of the user's data in our application, and we do not create or delete spreadsheets. The only information that we keep locally, in our application is just the name and the email, and that's just for user registration purposes. So, so that's it. We don't have an email login separately for our site. We just use Google Oauth. So that's it for PrettySheet, and I hope that answers any questions of how we're using the Oauth scopes that we're asking from users. And please let us know if you have any more questions. Thanks a lot.